So I pull this pipe out first, then I need to open this crack. Here's the filter I need to replace, and by this time I need to clean with the vacuum inside. I got a new filter here. I had to go clockwise or anti-clockwise. There is a pin. This inside was so dirty of this filter chamber. What I did, I vacuumed inside, put some soap water and clean it as much as I possible. Clean my best. It's better than before. So now we need to put it back, the new one. This is the new filter. Let's go inside. Here is the clip and lock all together. Yes, I turn it. One, yeah. Here you go. So one clip is here, one clip is here, one clip is here. So 3 clips all together. So looks good. Now I want to put this back. Like this. I'm gonna clip this clamp, tight it up a screw all together. So I put it back, the filter. Everything looks nice. Now I need to start the engine and have a look. Everything is okay. So far this looks okay.